Dear children, this is the second module of today's session. In this session, we are going to discuss how to use Boolean indexing in data frame. I know you all know about indexing. In series, from what it will start the index 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Isn't it? For rows and columns. The default indexing is 0 only. For data frame, we are also having the row values or row labels as indexing. But here we are going to study about a new thing, Boolean indexing. Boolean indexing helps us to select data from data frames using a Boolean vector. We create a data frame within Boolean index to use the Boolean indexing. So my dear children, let me explain with an example. Import pandas as PD, which is given for getting the pandas libraries into our program. The next dictoff. Dictoff is given for creating a dictionary. How many keys are there? A name and age. So name having a list of names and age having a list of age. 3 names and 3 ages we are having. Now look at the 7th line. There we are going to create a data frame with the Boolean index vector. df is equals pd dot data frame of dict. Till that is very clear. It is used for creating a data frame using a dictionary. Look at the next one, comma, index equal true, false, true. So how the data frame will be in the output, that we can see in the output of this program. Then we are trying to print the df. Then df.lock of true. It return the data frame where index is true. Print off. We are giving a simple line, an empty line to differentiate the outputs. Then result of ilock method. df dot ilock of 1. We can pass only integer values in ilock. That is the only difference between using indexing, Boolean indexing in data frames. My dear children, look at the output which is given. Here the first one will be true. The second one will be false. Then the third one will be true. That is, we will get only true, false results. So here we are giving the indexing as what? True, false, true. So my dear children, in the lock of function, we had selected only what index? Only true index. So that we will get only the values which is having true as its index. So look at the second print statement's output. It returned the data frame where index is true. My dear children, that is why we got Sachin and Rajesh, because that two have only true as its index. Then what about the next one? Result of ilock method. Here we had select only 1. So it will select only 1. That is 0th index. What is the difference between lock and ilock? In lock, it will include the end value, whereas ilock, it won't include the end value. It will select only the index. So it will select the second index, first index, that is 1. Second position, first index. My dear children, that is why it is given as name as Vinod Verma and age as 35. My dear children, I will repeat again. The Boolean indexing having only 2 values, true and false. We can give true for some rows, false for some other rows. So if you are selecting with the lock of true, it will select only the rows which is having the index as true. Otherwise, if the lock of function having the value as false, it will select only the false indexing datas. I think you are all clear about how to use Boolean index. It is very similar to Boolean indexing. that is Boolean values. Instead of index, we had given index equals true, false, true. So for the first key, it will select index as true. For the second key, it will select the index as false. And the third one, it will select the value index as true. I hope you are all clear about how to give Boolean indexing in data frame. Thank you.